Hey guys, welcome to Digiber channel. There are many times that you'll want to record what's happening on your Mac, so in this video, I'm going to show you 2 quick ways to help you record the computer screen on your Mac. To capture the screen activities on your Mac, we're gonna use a macOS tool and a third-party recorder to show you how you can record the entire screen or a certain area on your Mac. Let's dive in. Alright, the first tool I'm gonna use is a built-in screen recorder on your macOS. It's a simply tool called Screenshot Toolbar, and just as its name claims, you can use it to take screenshots or take screen recordings. It is very easy to use, you only need to know how to open it. And there's nothing difficult, just follow the simple steps to turn it on. Alright, let me show how. Here on my Mac, as you can see, here's a video playing on the screen. So when you want to record something on your Mac screen, just simply press Shift, Command, and 5 on your keyboard. Press the 3 buttons at the same time, and then the Screenshot Toolbar will be enabled and show up on your Mac screen. And now you can see several options over here. The 3 options on the left side allow you to capture your entire screen or a selected window. And you can also capture a selected portion of the screen. It's up to you. And the other 2 in the middle are used for the screen recording on your Mac. You are able to record either the full screen or a certain area on your Mac to capture everything you want. So, here, I just show you how to make the full screen recording. You can choose to record a selected area depending on your situation. Alright, we just click on the entire screen option, and then click on anywhere on the screen to start. You can also click on Record to begin. And now, as you can see, it's recording the whole screen on my Mac now. Pretty easy, right? When you finish the recording, just simply find this stop icon from the upper right corner, and click on it. By default, the recording you just created will be saved on your desktop automatically. So you can open it to check whether you've recorded everything you want. Also, you can add your recordings to iMovie and edit it if you want to make it more attractive. However, keep in mind that this macOS screenshot tool is only available for macOS Mojave and later, and it can only export the screen recordings as a MOV file. And if you need to create a video that includes your screen activities along with the internal audio on your Mac, then you'll have to use another third-party tool. Among the recorders in the market, I prefer the screen recorder from AppGeeker. It's basically an all-in-one solution that allows you to record everything on your Mac screen. Here I'm talking about your screen activities, the internal sound from your macOS, your camera, and also the external audio from the microphone. And the best thing is that you can customize the screen record on your Mac and have full control of it. Okay, now let's see how. First, I just opened the screen recorder on my Mac. I will put the download link in the video description below, so make sure you click it to get a free trial. Trust me, you will be surprised. Alright, as you can see from its main interface, now we have the options to record your screen, your audio, and even the gameplay. To capture what's happening on your Mac screen, go click the video recorder option. And from here, you'll be given more options. Here, we can choose to record either the full screen or a certain area. If you'd like to use your camera, just toggle on the camera option. Here it is, and we can change the size of the camera window, and place it anywhere we want. And then here's audio option. It's possible to record your Mac screen with your system sound and microphone audio simultaneously, which makes it much easier when you want to add real-time narration of your screen recordings. And before we start, here are some recording settings that you can use to make the process more flexible. You can adjust the recording preferences through the settings. For example, if you're making a tutorial video, just like what I do, here you can click on the mouse icon, and tick the box beside Show Mouse Cursor. This way, it's gonna track your mouse automatically. And you're also able to change the settings on output, sound, camera, hotkeys, basically everything you need during the screen recording. Alright, now, once you set up everything according to your personal preferences, We just simply click on Record button to get it started. So, here you can see this screen recorder window just minimize itself. You can pause or stop the recording whenever you want. And here's also an edit option that allows you to add drawings or text on the Mac screen. If you add things and don't want them later, just click to erase or delete them all. And in case you'd like to hide this option bar, just click on the hide button to make it invisible. And when you want to stop the recording but hide the toolbar, just use this combination on your keyboard. We press Ctrl, Command, and S button. Press the 3 buttons at the same time to end the recording. And when you make it stop, the screen recorder window will show up again. You can take your time to preview the recordings and clip it. If you're not satisfied with the video file you created, you can clip it to save the part you want. Or click on the Re-Record button to start it all over again. Here, I just saved this recording on my Mac. Hit the Save button. Then the video will be saved to the recording history by default settings. You can check it here or open it from the location folder. So, with this functional screen recorder tool, you can do much more things on your Mac. It not just records the activities on your screen, but also allows you to add and mix the internal and external audio, letting you record and save everything on your Mac screen. It's really worth a try. Alright, these are the 2 quick ways to record your Mac screen easily. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like. We'll keep sharing useful tech tricks. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to get to know more. Thanks for watching. See you next video.